Hey everybody, welcome back to Cycle 2, Week 16, New Grammar, starting with Timeline. Age of Industry, circa 1760 to circa 1969. James Cook sails to Australia and Antarctica. American Revolution and General George Washington. Madison's Constitution and the Bill of Rights, the French Revolution, the Second Great Awakening, Louisiana Purchase and the Lewis and Clark Expedition. Next, moving into math, we are starting off with our geometry song, and this week we'll start off with area of a rectangle equals length times width. So every week we'll add on. So it starts like this. Geometry, geometry, let's learn some geometry. The area of a rectangle equals length times width. And we'll add on next week. Next, moving on to Latin, continuing with our imperfect tense. Bamba spat, bama spati spant, bamba spat, bama spati spant. First conjugation, imperfect tense. Next, moving on to English, we are learning a verb this week, and we're going to sing this to A Bear Went Over the Mountain. So, a verb is a word that asserts an action, shows a state of being, links two words together, or helps another verb. Next, moving on to history. Tell me about how World War II began. So, World War II began in 1939 when Hitler invaded Poland. Two engagements that helped the United States win the Pacific Front. We're defeating Japan at the Battle of Midway and dropping atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945. Next, moving on to science, what is Newton's first law of motion? We're going to be singing this to Take Me Out to the Ball Game. Newton's first law of motion states that an object at rest tends to remain at rest, and an object in motion tends to continue moving in a straight line at constant speed unless an outside force acts upon it. Newton's first law. Next, moving on to geography, learning the Balkans. We're going to sing this to a Barney song called Boom Boom, Ain't It Great to Be Crazy? All right, so first we have Greece, Albania, Bulgaria, Slovenia, and Romania. Okay. Balkans geography is Greece, Albania, and Bulgaria, Slovenia, and Romania. Have a good week, everybody.